Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove applied effect on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project on my CapCut PC application, and as you can see guys, I have imported my video. Then I have applied effect to this video. I'm going to show you how the effect looks like. Here I have applied two effects to my video guys. I have applied body effect and also the video effect. Then I'm going to show you how we can remove the applied effect. So first of all, we can click on the effect. Okay, then since I have applied two effects, I need to select one of them. For example, I'm going to remove the butterflies effect. So I'm just going to select that. And if you want to remove it from your video, you can simply right click on the effect and click on delete. Or you can also press the backspace on your keyboard like this, and the effect will be removed from your video. And I'm going to remove this effect as well, the butterfly wings effect. We just need to tap on the effect and then we can right click on it, or we can select the backspace like this. Alright, and now all the effects I have applied to my video have been removed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove applied effect on CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!